Hey guys, what's up? It's your buddy Keith here, and we are live at Essex Recording Studios in Southend-on-Sea, England, baby. And today we're doing an unboxing video of my brand spanking new MacBook Pro. This is the 14-inch laptop with the M2 Pro processor. In fact, I'm going to show you the specs right now because they're on the back of the box. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Sorry if there's a little bit of a shaky camera here. But there we go. You can pause the screen and read all about the spec. I'm not going to show you my serial number and all that stuff because some crazy guy will go and, I don't know, register my warranty or something. But there you go. That's what the spec is. And now, why did I get this, by the way? I have the Mac Studio over here. It runs this whole amazing recording studio that we have here in England. You might be wondering, why do I not sound British? Because I'm from America. But yes, so we've got a Mac Studio with the M1, I think Max chip in there. We've got a Mac Mini in the other studio back there with the M1 chip. And now we've got the M2 Pro. And I bought this. Let me just peel that off. One-handed here. Not too bad. Ooh, very gratifying. Boom, got that off. I bought this because there was a sale at Costco. Yes, we have Costco in England. It's not just for America. For 150 pounds off. Man, all right. 150 pounds off. And I get like 3% cash back with my Costco membership. And another like 1.25% cash back with my American Express card. So I'm just kind of lifting this up one-handed. Boom. All right, there it is, space gray. So for the savings that I could get and the 2-year extended warranty through Costco and all the cashback options, it just really made sense. And also, I have a PC gaming laptop, Windows. I don't have anything super portable that is Mac. So I wanted to have like the whole Mac ecosphere. I've got my Mac Studio here. Yes, this is still very portable. Obviously, it's about like the size of my hand, but you still need to have a keyboard, a mouse, all this stuff. You need a monitor, whereas this has everything, and I can take this with me on the plane or the train. Also, why I got the 14-inch one, it was like half a grand cheaper than the 16-inch one. All right, let's see here. Woof. Okay. There we go. So we've got the whole laptop in this plastic sleeve. I'm just going to put that right there for a second. This is what you get when you unbox. Yeah, so why did I get the 14, not the 16? The 14-inch M2 Pro has just like incredible spec. Absolutely more than anything I could possibly need. Also, I wanted to slim down. I have a 17-inch gaming laptop with like huge fans. It's super thick. It's nowhere close to as thin as this. And I brought it on the train once here in the UK, and I was like the rudest passenger ever. It took up like the whole seat. We had like a little mini table tray, and there's a guy in front of me that like wanted to use part of it. And yeah, my laptop took up the whole thing. And his first comment was, "That's a small laptop." So yeah, I realized need to slim down. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Designed by Apple in California. I guarantee you not built in California. We'll take that out. There's our power plug looking very nice and sleek. Okay, it's got a little bit of plastic wrapper around it. Very nice. We'll take that, put that out. Got our big fancy schmancy adapter. Feels nice. Good weight to it. Good texture. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic. There we go. I'll put that right there. We've got a nice braided, loving the braided Thunderbolt cable, looks like there. Put that out. There we go. Yup. And are there any other goodies hiding underneath here? It doesn't seem like it. Looks like that's about all you get. They keep it nice and simple. All right, inside this pamphlet here, what do we have? We've got MacBook Pro. Okay. I mean, yeah, we know what the parts are. So you get that. Looks just like pretty Simple stuff. Oh, you get some Apple stickers in case you want to put this on the back of your laptop and then get it censored when you're on television. You ever notice that? Ever notice on TV they always have like a gray circle that goes over the Apple? Just one of those things. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's peel this back. Woo! Nice finish. Look at that. Not too bad. All right, MacBook Pro. Stepping up your game. Nice rubberized feet here. Are they rubber? Actually, no, they're like hard plastic. Okay, so we've got that. Looks like they've got some sort of proprietary screws to keep the case in place. Go ahead and flip it over. Bum, bum, bum. There we go. We've got like this nice kind of like black smoked out. Is it reflective? It is reflective. Mirror. It's like a gunmetal, kind of gunmetal chrome reflective Apple logo. I do like that. And then I'm just going to use the box as its own little platform. Let's go ahead and... Can I open this up with one hand? Well, you know what? It's backwards, isn't it? Shows you how much I use Macs. Ha! Everyone's watching this and screaming at me. You got it backwards, buddy. All right. So... Oh, and it just turns on. Ha! How cool. How cool indeed. I love it when they ship it to you powered up. Look at this. Hello. Hi, Mac. Boom, boom, boom. Look at a bunch of different languages. Here's the touchpad. Big touchpad. In fact, if you look at it compared to the Magic trackpad, it's fairly similar in size. Like a very generous size trackpad for such a small laptop. Showing you how thin it is. I mean, there's my finger, so it's way thicker. And it does have, I do love this function, it has the fingerprint touchscreen access there. That's great. Very sleek. It's all backlit. So these are actually, all these letters that you see, everything's actually lit up. And maybe I can show you if we turn all the lights off here. Let's turn them off. Boom, boom. Ooh, fancy. Very, very fancy. Okay, so it's all lit up. Let's go and hit a button. Okay, language. English. Yeah, that's what I speak. Oh, you know what's funny? I live in the UK now. Oop, might be too late. So, I think I did English, American English. Okay, country. I'm in the United Kingdom. There we go. We hit enter. Let's see how much battery life we got. Oh, I've got about half, a little more than half the battery.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5.
I don't. Accessibility. Do I need cognitive? Nah, I'm all right. I hope I'm all right. Some people might disagree. Not now. Ooh, we've got all of our Wi-Fi here, so I'll move away and give it 1 second. Can't be sharing you my super secret Wi-Fi. Bum, bum, bum. Yes. Okay. Password. Enter. Whew. By the way, how vibey are these red neon lights? We can actually change them to whatever color you want. Okay. Are we in business? Are we working, guys? Come on now. Trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. We're getting the busy signal. Don't really know what's taking so long. Oh, there we go. A software update. So first thing we're doing, right out of the box, software update. Continue. No problem with that. In fact, I just did a operating system update on the Mac Studio the other day. And speaking of studio, when you're in an environment like this, a recording studio, man, engineers and producers, they like really hate updating their Macs because there's so much software that you use in a recording studio. Like you've got all sorts of plugins that get used, and all of it works in this like careful ecosystem that really is dependent upon the OS being stable and like all of the coding revolving around that specific OS being up to date. So when you have like, for instance, your DAW, like Logic Pro, your digital audio workstation, when that is no longer compatible with the current update, then man, you're really in a hard place because you can't record anything, or maybe your DAW is okay, but your plugins aren't up to date and aren't compatible. Like when the M1 processor came out, like nothing was compatible with it because it was a different silicone type processor, and it took months for a lot of different software bits we use to get caught up with that. In fact, I'm not even sure if there's going to be issues with compatibility on the M2, but we'll find out. However, we're updating. It's going to be 17 minutes here, so I'm not going to bore you with all of that, but I will turn the lights back on. Whoops. I will turn the lights back on. And, yeah. That's the unboxing video, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's my first ever MacBook. I've never had a Macintosh laptop. And hopefully it's all smooth sailing from here. But I like that the minute you open it up, it's already powering on, good battery charge, ready to go. We're already logged in, updating the operating system. And you know what? They keep it simple. Occam's razor, guys. Simplest solution is the best solution. There you go. All right. I'll catch you all later. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like, and check out all the cool guitar videos we've got. Later.